Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixGaming. Today in this video, I'm going to go and show you how to fix your L3 sprinting glitch without opening up your PlayStation 5 controller. So let's go ahead and jump to the video right now. So I have my PlayStation 5 controller right here, and every time I go ahead and press up with my left thumbstick or click it in, my character starts to sprint, but all of a sudden stops repeatedly, and this is getting really frustrating. What are some ways I can go ahead and fix this? Now, the first thing I suggest is taking like a Q-tip or a cloth and cleaning off the inside of the thumbstick and around it. So I'm just going to use some rubbing alcohol just to clean off my controller in case there's any kind of like debris, Cheetos, or Mountain Dew that has gone on the side of my thumbstick right here and inside the controller. So I'm just going to dip a Q-tip into some rubbing alcohol and then just clean off the inside right here. And clean it very good. Or maybe there's some plastic debris that has fallen inside the controller and it doesn't look like anything's on there anymore. You can always take a toothpick and just clean up anything that has gotten stuck in the sides here as well. And it looks pretty clean. Now, move your thumbstick around 20 times just like this in the right direction. Then go counterclockwise 20 times. Then click in your controller multiple times and press down. Then take your controller and lift up. And do this about 10 times. You can lift up the thumbstick without damaging the controller. And then just click down. Now, the thing that I found works the best is blowing into the side. Now you can use your mouth, which works, and you can just blow into the side here. Otherwise you can use some compressed air like this. This is relatively cheap, and if you go ahead and put this little nozzle on here, it's very effective in terms of getting inside the controller through this small crack, and then you can just blow inside here. Otherwise, you can just take the controller, move the thumbstick to the left or right, and then just blow inside, like this. So hopefully this did indeed help you with some sprinting glitches that you've been having with your PlayStation 5 controller. If it did, go ahead and leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech help videos coming up next on YourSixGaming.